the apple. سیوێ. Ez سیوێ دخم. I'm eating the apple. The shirt. Grassi. Ez grassi digirim. But the grass form is more common and we usually don't use the masculine suffix, masculine object suffix. I'm taking the shirt. This shirt. Vi grassi. Ez vi grassi dkhwazim. And this one is our masculine suffix. When we use demonstrative adjectives, we use the masculine suffixes, masculine object suffixes. I want this shirt in this city. Le vi bajari. Ew le vi bajari dji. Here we use demonstrative adjective and we have object suffix. The drinks. Vexwarinan. Ez vexwarinan vedochum. I drink the drinks. And this is the plural object suffix.